Here are the most embarrassing and funniest gym moments. This girl was exercising with her trainer when she suddenly farted. When you try to go a little extra than your capacity, you have to pay the price in the form of embarrassment.
Oh, no. Yeah, boy.
The trainer could be opportunistic. During an intense workout, this girl had her grip loose from the bar, and her excitement had an unexpected outcome.
A few moments later.
This shocking and unexpected slap of the band was really hilarious and painful simultaneously. This woman sat on a man's face. Sometimes stunts can cause lots of pain, just like this one. A failure with grace and quick good warm-up is good after a lot of embarrassment. This man is a laughingstock with next-level confidence. The kid was thinking of doing something heroic, but you know how things could go around. Punch, punch, punch. Oh, wrong place. Poor guy. A young man was doing an abs workout, but the band hit his face. I wonder if he is enjoying it or in pain. Resistant bands could hurt and embarrass you a lot, both at the same time. I don't know what they were laughing at, but the girl literally landed on the working treadmill. This adorable couple dancing on the treadmill, romance and workout at the same time. The man knew she was going to fall and become a laughingstock, even though the moment was really painful. Could it be more embarrassing and funny, and let alone that aroma? It might have killed them. When you try to lift so much that you cannot handle, embarrassment is waiting as destiny for you. You don't need to display your skills when you don't have them. This guy was unable to carry the weight, so he rolled it. This guy rolled out of the gym. A weightlifting stunt went wrong.
Push up, it's like you're pushing up the wall.
falling down when a gym crush passes is common. How this guy managed his fall is amazing. You must be well aware of yourself when you are at the gym, otherwise this is going to happen to you. You know, girl, this is a stationary bike and not a moving horse. It was hard to not laugh at this one, but it must have hurt a lot. Squats can be interesting if it is done like this. I don't know that weightlifting would be this easy. Wow, she is doing amazing push-ups. But hey, what is that? A quick warm-up with a frenzy workout, and let alone walking out with such confidence. I am laughing my heart out. This guy tried to lift more than his body and could not deal with it, but he was lucky. This old woman suddenly fell off the treadmill when she tried to stop it. While trying to kick the bag, he fell on the ground as he could not bear the reactionary force of the bag. This was a different level yelling at the gym after lifting heavy weight. People could be insanely funny. This athlete had no idea what he was doing at the gym. It is a must to have some guidance. He might have posed for push-ups, but he was headbanging. That was his warm-up. See this one? He was using his 100% of the brain with 500 IQ. So funny. When you had nothing to do and you were just looking for something to do, this girl is your inspiration. And now, let us move on to our subscriber pick of the day. This image was sent to us by a subscriber. Similarly, if you ever wish to know more about an image you come across, just send it to us. Who knows, we might even feature it in one of our videos. This blonde girl was working out on the treadmill at the gym. Thank you very much for watching the video. Do like and share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to not miss any of the upcoming amazing videos. Thank you once again.